Anxiety doesn't have to control you. You already hold the key to peace, and today I'll help you unlock it. Welcome to the Inner Healer Project. Even simply watching this practice, your body and mind will begin to soften. Let's take this time to connect with your inner healer, the quiet, wise part of you that always knows the way home. Take a slow, natural breath and feel yourself settling in. You are safe. You are here. Find a comfortable seat, either on the chair or on the floor. Let your spine rise naturally. Chest soft, shoulders relaxed. Place your hands gently over your upper belly, just above your navel. This is your Solar Plexus Chakra, associated with courage, inner strength, and how we process emotions like anxiety. By bringing awareness to this center, we can guide energy toward calm and balance. Close your eyes and soften your gaze, and notice your body as it is right now. Tension, lightness, or even a flutter of anxiety. Take a slow, natural breath. Feel yourself begin to settle. Now, gently roll your shoulders back and down. Drop your chin to chest and slowly roll your head side to side. Inhale, lift your shoulders toward your ears, and exhale, release them down. Repeat these small movements 2 to 3 times, noticing your body soften with each breath. Bring your attention back to your hands on your Solar Plexus Chakra. Inhale softly through your nose for your counts, feeling your belly rise. Hold for 2 counts. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6 counts. Allowing tension to melt away. Repeat this 5 to 6 times. Notice how your breath naturally slows, your mind softens, and your body begins to relax. With each exhale, imagine guiding anxious energy from your chest and head down into your solar plexus, your inner center of calm and strength. Even simply observing your breath, your body is releasing tension and your mind is settling. Now, Gently lengthen your spine and inhale, lifting your arms overhead. Exhale, slowly lower them. Turn your torso slightly to the right as you exhale, holding for a breath. Then return to center. Repeat on the left side. Next inhale, lift your arms, and as you exhale, lean gently to the right, feeling a stretch along your left side. Return to center and repeat on the left side. Notice how these small movements help your energy flow smoothly and naturally bringing more ease into your body and mind. Bring your attention inward without judgment. Notice any sensation of anxiety, tightness, fluttering, or restlessness. Anxiety is not a flaw. It is your body's way signaling that it wants attention and care. Simply observe these sensations. Even noticing them gently is already calming your mind and body. Place your awareness on your solar plexus chakra. Imagine a small golden light glowing beneath your hands. Your courage, your steadiness. Inhale, the light warms and grows. Exhale, it surrounds any anxious sensations, holding them with kindness and compassion. Even simply watching and focusing on this light, you are guiding your energy toward calm and balance. Notice if anxious energy rises toward your chest or head. With each exhale, gently guide it down into your solar plexus, allowing it to settle and radiate warmth throughout your body. Your body is already learning to release tension, and your mind is softening with every breath. In your mind, repeat softly, "It's okay to feel this way. I'm safe. Even with anxiety, I can move forward." Allow these words to settle into your awareness. Feel your inner strength supporting you even amidst any anxious sensations. Now, imagine the golden light expanding through your entire body, softening every edge, connecting you to the present moment. Feel calm flowing through your spine, chest, arms, legs, and head. Even after this practice ends, this sense of calm remains with you. You carry it into your day and your life. Take one more deep, nourishing breath. And as you exhale, feel your inner healer ready to guide you back to peace whenever you need. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Your calm and inner strength are already within you. Now, I am accepting a yoga therapy monitor. Please see descriptions below for more information. Thank you for watching. I will see you next Inner Healer project. Until then, bye.